So we have the rules to shortcut the solution when solving quadratic inequalities. Okay, so let us have a specific here. If ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0, then equate ax squared plus bx plus c into 0. That is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that r and s are its roots, where r is less than s. Take note on this, r is less than s. Therefore, the solution set of ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0 is x is less than r or x is greater than s. So muna isang solution set when so this is our set notation. This is our set notation when the symbol of inequality is greater than 0. Or so this x less than r, that is open negative infinity to r. Union x is greater than s as s to positive infinity. That is our interval notation. So this parenthesis, we use parentheses because the symbol of less than of our inequality is greater than. Then so to understand the rules, so let us have an example. Okay, so we have here our solution. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 6 is greater than 0. So we are going to factor out x squared minus 7x plus 6 since it is factorable. Okay, so the factors of x squared will be x times x. Then factors of 6, since a is 1, so we factored 6, which is the sum is negative 7. So the sum of negative 6 and positive 1 and negative 1 is negative 7 because a is 1. So negative 6 and negative 1 are the factors of 6. Okay, then we are going to equate this equation into 0. Okay, it means that we are going to find the roots. So equate the factors into 0. So we have x minus 6 is equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. Solve for x. So here x equals 6 and x equals 1. So 1 is less than 6. Okay, therefore our solution set. Okay, so take note, 1 is less than 6. So our solution set is okay, x is less than 1 or x is greater than 6. Greater than 6. That is our set notation. If we write our answer in an interval notation, okay, in interval notation, that is parentheses negative infinity to 1 or union, that is 6 to positive infinity. So that is our interval notation. The upper one is the set notation. Okay, that's our answer in solving x squared minus 7x plus 6 greater than 0. So our inequality is greater than. So that is our solution set if our inequality is greater than. Okay, so let us an example number 2. So we have here what is the solution set of x squared plus 5x minus 2 greater than 0. So again, our inequality is greater than 0. So let us have our solution. Okay, so x squared plus 5x minus 2 is greater than 0. So our value of a here, okay, this equation is not factorable, so we use quadratic formula. So let's solve for a is 1, b is 5, c is negative 2. So in finding the roots, we are going to equate the equation into 0. So that is x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So again, this equation is not factorable, then we are going to use quadratic formula using the values of a, b, and c. So the quadratic formula is x. So it's find its roots by using quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is, okay, x equals negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then substitute the values of a, b, and c in our equation to solve for x. Okay, so copy negative, then substitute b, that's 5. Okay, plus and minus the square root of b is 5, so it becomes 5 squared minus 4 times the value of a is 1 times the value of c, which is negative 2. Okay, that's negative 2. Okay, all over 2 times the value of a is equal to 1. Then simplify. So that is equal to copy negative 5, copy positive negative, then 5 squared is 25. So 25, then multiply negative 4 times 1 times negative 2, the result is positive 8. Okay, all over 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, simplify. Okay, equals negative 5 plus and minus, add the two radicands, 25 plus 8, that is 33 all over 2. So square root of the 33 is in simplest form, so we have now the roots. So these are negative 5 plus square root of 33 all over 2, and we have negative 5 minus square root of 33 all over 2. So negative 5 plus square root of 3 all over 2 is greater than negative 5 minus square root of 3 over 2. So when you say negative 5 minus square root of 33 is less, all over 2 is less than negative 5 plus square root of 3 all over 2. So our answer will be x. So our answer, because negative 5 minus square root of 3 is less than negative 5 plus square root of 33, so we use x less than negative 5. Yes, negative 5 minus square root of 33 all over 2, or x is greater than negative 5 plus square root of 33 all over 2. So that is our set notation. That is our answer. If we write our answer in interval notation, that is from negative infinity to negative 5 minus square root of 33 all over 2, that is open parenthesis or parenthesis, union, that is negative 5 plus square root of 33 all over 2, okay, comma, or 2 positive infinity, open or parenthesis. That is how we're going to write the interval notation of this set notation. So our answer is either of the two.